Hi guys, I thought I would do a short video showing you about my monthly trader, and here it is. It's all about monthly memberships. You can join and trade with me live every single day. We trade Monday through Friday. We also trade the American markets as well as the Northern European markets, and we use a whole array of tools in doing so. To be a member, there's about 25% off at the moment for your subscription for Easter. So grab it, see what you like. You can join it. You can just try it for a month, cancel anytime, no problem. But what you do get if you come and join is a whole pack of things, including, we'll just go and have a look here, the day trading learning center. So the infamous 15-minute guide that people might have already. The guide's in there, as you can see here, with a little bit of context. You've got a 15-minute audio guide, and then you've got how to very precisely set all that up. You've got indicators and pivots. So for pro real time, all the different screeners. You've got dipper screeners. It finds things for 1 hour traders, 4 hour traders, swing traders, quite a few different things. And then the perfect entry on the 15 minutes. It goes in and scans and finds all the trades live for you in real time. EOD cash pivots, the fractal indicator, the OBV9. So quite a few different things in here. You've got key trading information, which is about risk management, currency pair volatility. It's all about the major pairs. What is the average true range of each currency pair? It's volatility currency trading tools in here as well. Matched pairs, correlations, finding out where the correlations are, very, very important to a trader. Stop and reverse techniques, which is a strategy. That's in there as well. Number one reason why traders fail. Risk management, how not to break your bank up. There's quite a few different things we've got in here. Terminology speaks for itself. How to set up your morning screen, EOD cash pivots, how to find EOD cash pivots, drawing accurate trend lines and making trend lines, full tutorial video on actually doing that. Using alerts, the power of using alerts and using alerts to actually trade. Fibonacci tools, all the different teaching sessions on using Fibonacci, live Fibos, doing live trading, and using the Fibo indicators that I've done. But also there's a tool guide as well on what and how we use Fibonacci in our trading in the room, so you know exactly what's there. And then various videos on that. So really, really good. Mastering emotions, trading plans. If you want a trading plan, how to do a trading plan, how to record your trading plans, your daily trades, and then a bunch of very important documents for you to have a look at. You also get access to all the trading room, different scanner rooms, chat rooms, signals that I give out every day, how to trade, how to manage your trades, moving stop to entry, signals every single day. And as we're moving into profit, how to take your profits, how to get out, how to manage your risk. So there is that as well. And then we have, of course, the Daily Edge that's published every single morning, that bundled in free as well. It tells you whether the market's risk on, risk off, what we're going to trade for the day, whether we're going to buy, whether we're going to sell, and the reasons why. So that's in the live, all in the live. The indicators alone worth more than 1 month's membership if you bought them separately, plus all the tutorials, all the help. It's really a must do. Come and try me for a month. If you don't like it, just cancel it. No harm at all. See you soon.